갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Secrets, or rather Radiant Diva. Yes guys, so if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and also subscribe to our other YouTube channel. Yes, and we are also doing promo for the training class for the Nigerian students, those that lives in Nigeria alone. So after the Nigerian class, they were going to be doing for those that lives in Europe, Canada, and US. Yes guys, so I'm going to leave the link below the description box. Go and check it out and come and register. It's not a free class, so it's just a promo class. So guys, today I will be sharing with you five tubes. Yes, 5 tubes that actually works for pigmentation, for skin blemishes, for skin rashes, for acne, and for dark spots. And it also have a lightening effect. So guys, this is not a cream, it is a tube. It is not a long-term usage something. It's something you have to use for a very short term. Then if you finish treating the gbogbo to go on your face, then you stop. Yes, then you stop it. It is not a cream. Take note, it is not a cream, it is a treatment. These are treatments. So here I have 5 tubes. So I'm just going to be telling you their functions one by one. And here I have this is very hard, I don't know what is it called, okay, let me try, the neoprosone. So here I have the neoprosone. Man, this is hard. I have the neoprosone, and this is made in Italy. So this gel has clobetasol. So any products that have clobetasol, you have to be careful when using it. Yes, you can use it for treatment, you can use it for spots, you can use it for pigmentation, you can use it for dark spots, you can use it to lighten up your face. It is very possible to use it to lighten up your face, but it should be used in a very short term. If you get your results, then you have to drop it. You have to start, how will I put it, you have to stop dropping it little by little. You don't just stop using it once. Yes, you have to, like, if you're using it every day, then you have to break it down to once in 2 days, once in 1 week. That is how you have to stop using it. So this is very effective. It is called neoprosone, and this is made in Italy. So you can use this to take care of your pigmentation on your face. So this is one. And the other one I also have is Tempovate. So Tempovate has 5% clobetasol. So Tempovate is very good for acne, dark spots, skin lightening, and all that. So like I said, it is not a cream. This is a tube. It is a treatment. And if you don't want to use it directly, you can simply add it inside your face cream, and you can use it on your face if you have pigmentation on your face. Yes, so you use it for a very short term, and you have to stop it. And before you add it inside your face cream, you have to know what is inside your face cream. You have to know the ingredients that they use in making that face cream, because here they have clobetasol. Clobetasol really don't go well with so many ingredients, so you have to really know the ingredients they use in making your face cream before you can actually add clobetasol, before you can actually add this Tempovate inside your face cream, or rather you can just use it directly on your face. So this is also a very good tube you can use. This is not even tube, this one is a gel. Yes, Tempovate is a gel. A gel is very stronger than tube. Tube is milder, while the gel is very strong. So you can use this on your face to clear out your blemishes and all that. So here I also have the White Moon. Yes guys, White Moon, this is a lightening facial cream for dark spots, for blemishes, and all that. And this one also have 5% clobetasol. So what is clobetasol? Clobetasol is very effective, very effective. It helps to target spots, it helps to target scars, it helps to lighten up the skin. Yes, so but the reason why they make this is to take care of pigmentation. So don't, like, okay, you want to play some tricks and you want to be adding it inside your body cream, or you want to be adding it inside your that. So but your face cream, it is allowed. You can add it inside your face cream if you don't want to use it directly. If you have sensitive skin and you don't want to use it directly, you can add it inside your face cream and it's going to still give you that benefit. If you want to use it to lighten up your face, then it's still going to give you the benefit. If you want to use it to take care of your pigmentation, it is also going to give you the benefit. So you can also use this white moon for scars and all that, right? So yeah, I'm still going to show you another one you can also use. And here I have the lemon vein. Yes, lemon vein. This is also a treatment. This is a tube and this is not a gel. So this is the lemon vein cream. This helps to lighten up your face. It helps to lighten up your dark spot. It helps to treat scars. It helps to treat pigmentation. And this also have clobetasol. Yes, most of all this cream, they have clobetasol because clobetasol is the active ingredient in it. Clobetasol is the strong ingredient in this cream. Yes, it has clobetasol, 5% clobetasol. It has propanadol, which is propylene glycol. So you can use this on your face if you have skin irritation, if you have yeah, if you have skin irritation. There are some people that easily have skin irritation, that you can add it inside your face cream and it's going to also brighten, lighten and remove spots on your skin, remove acne, remove pimples. So this is also a very good tube to use on your face, not on your body. I'm not talking about body. So if you also have pigmentations on your body, well, you can use it in that area where you have pigmentation, but not all over your body. So this also have 5% clobetasol. So the other one here I have is the Fombat A cream. Yes guys, so Fombat A has antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. So this helps to target age spots, dark spots, scars, pigmentations, wrinkles, fine lines, and it also helps to lighten up your skin. So many people use this Fombat A as a source of a bleaching cream. Yes, they add it inside their children creams, they add it inside their own creams. Yes, but this is simply a treatment for your face. You can apply it any part where you have pigmentation. If you have pigmentation all over your face, why not? You can apply it all over your face. And if you have a dull face, if your face is not looking bright, yes, if your face is not looking bright, you have to also use this. But first you need to exfoliate. For these things to work on your face, the first thing is exfoliation. Exfoliation is the key. If not, you're going to be applying it on your face and you're not going to be getting the results that you want. So if this is too strong on your face, you can simply add it inside your face cream and use it for a very short time. So don't be using it like a continuously something. No, immediately you get rid of those stuff on your face, then you stop using it. Yes guys, so these are the 5 gels or tube. So this one is a gel, and the Lemovate is a tube, and the white moon is a tube or a gel. The white moon is a tube. The white moon is a tube, and the Tempovate is a gel, and Fombat A is a gel. I don't think Fombat A is not a cream, it's a gel, it's a treatment. So you can actually use these 5 to treat your pigmentation, to lighten up your face. Yes, to lighten up any dark area, your knuckles, your dark feet, any parts. You can even use it to make your knuckle cream. You can use it as a base to make your knuckle cream. You can use it as a base to make your facial lightening cream for pigmentation, not just a constant facial lightening cream, just for pigmentation. Yes guys, so each of all these products, they have clobetasol. So if you're pregnant, you have to stay away from these things, because everything you apply into your skin, they go into your blood. You know, our skin breathes, our skin, they have holes. So whatsoever you apply into your skin, they go into your blood. So if you are pregnant, you have to stay away from this. And if you are breastfeeding, you also need to stay away from this tube. But if you are just normal, you're not pregnant, you're not breastfeeding, then you can use this for a very short term to take care of your pigmentation, take care of your acne, take care of your age spots, lighten up your face a little bit. And if you're using this, make sure you also use it around your neck. Don't just use it on your face alone. Make sure to pass it on around your neck. Yes guys, so I hope this video is very helpful. I hope you can find this in your normal is it supermarket? I don't know where you're going to get this anyway. If you're in Nigeria, it is very easy to get this, and here in Europe, you can try if you can get this in African shop. Yes, so I got this from Nigeria. My mom got them from me. So if you're here in Europe, you can get this in any African shop if they are selling it. Yes, so guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you find this video very helpful, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.